Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I'm a fan of snacks, lunches, and dinners, so I made these beef wrap rolls with mozzarella. Incredibly delicious. Serve them anytime at parties, at functions, wherever you want. So let me walk you through this. So to kick things off here, what I've got is half a kilo or a pound of lean ground beef. I'm just going to kind of break this up and fry it until it's nicely brown. And even this is lean ground beef, but if you've got a lot of fat, you might want to drain the excess off. Once it's nicely browned, I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, about half a red bell pepper, and I'm going to stir this up until it's fragrant. Starting to smell so good. Once it's fragrant, I'm going to add in my all-time favorite spice, some ground black pepper, half a cup of pizza sauce, and you can use as much or as little as you like. And of course, some pepperoni. Half a teaspoon of oregano. I love this spice too. Stir it for a couple of minutes and you're good to go. And look at this, guys. It looks absolutely delicious. Now it's time to build our tortillas. So I'm gonna scoop up some mixture, place it in the center of the tortilla. This is gonna be so good. Next up, I'm gonna put some of that ooey gooey yummy mozzarella over the top. Now I've sliced it, but you can shred it too. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fold my tortilla up. Something like this. Alright, now I'm going to put these into a baking dish. So we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes until they're nicely done and the cheese is melted. After 20 minutes in the oven, we're just going to cut into this and have a look at it. And just look at this, guys. Our beef roll-ups with mozzarella, incredibly delicious. So let's dig in and give this a taste test. Guys, this is so good. The mozzarella, the beef, the red bell peppers, incredible. You have to make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of soup recipes, cool recipes there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.